Welcome to the Akasha Yoga practice. Today we are here to fall in love with meditation. No, not to fall in love, but to rise in love together. A meditation to open the heart. An invitation to find the peaceful center, that space of loving kindness within. So I encourage you to join in an upright position and go deeper into this practice. If you enjoy the journey, I invite you actually to sign up for daily practices. We have a whole calendar with daily ingredients to uplift you, to help you rise in love and celebrate the yogic wisdom. Find the link in the description below to sign up for our daily practice calendar. But now we actually practice together. So please assume an upright and firm sitting pose. Take a deep breath in and straighten the spine, open the chest, and then exhale as we close the eyes. Continuing to breathe slightly deeper, broadening the chest with every inhalation. Opening the heart with each and every breath. Breathing into the heart. Setting the heart on fire with each and every breath. Perceiving the warmth and softness in heart center. A sense of loving kindness and compassion. joyful radiance, expanding from heart center. Breathing slightly deeper, and breathing even deeper, gently opening those eyes and facing the world with a fresh and open heart. Thank you so much for joining this short and sweet practice. I trust that you found a moment of peace and loving kindness shining from your heart. Keep on sharing and passing on the softness, the sweetness, and I'll see you soon for another one of those wonderful practices. Om.